With Canada Custom Auto Works, and today we're going to be working on this 2018 Toyota Tundra. So this truck is going to be getting a 2.5-inch leveling kit by Rugged Off-Road. It's going to be getting some 20x10 zero offset armed off-road bombers finished in our gloss black and red, and then it's going to be wrapped in a set of some Nitto Trail grapplers in the 285 5520. So we'll give you guys a quick walkthrough. This is a completely stock truck. It's got nothing done to it as of right now, and then we'll give you guys a video walkthrough of it when it's all complete, okay? Alright guys, so this is the kit that's going to be going into the Tundra. So it's a part number is a 7-105. It's a 2.5-inch front for the Tundra. And then these are the rims and tires already mounted and balanced. So your Nitto Trail grapplers and your 20x10 armed off-road bombers. Okay. Alright guys, so we just finished up with this Toyota Tundra right now, so it's all finished up. You got the bombers on there, we got the Nittos on there. And, you guys can come check out the levels been installed too. Just came back from the alignment shop. And Harm is going to do a quick video on it and show you guys all some close-ups.